Hello students, welcome to RKC online class. Today's lesson is about a and the articles. Children, there are three articles in English: a, an, and the. A, an, and the are called articles. They are used before nouns and noun phrases. A and an. A is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with consonant sounds. For example, a cow. Cow is a countable noun and it begins with consonant sound. So, a cow, a shop, a uniform, a unit, a glass of milk, a mischievous boy, etc. An is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with vowel sounds. For example, an ink pot. Here, noun ink pot is beginning with E sound and that's vowel sound. So we use an before it. An egg, an hour, an honest girl, an ugly creature, etc. Students, there are two types of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles because they refer in general to any person, animal or thing. The is called the definite article because it refers to a particular person, animal or thing. Now we are going to learn important uses of article the. The is used before a noun that refers to something specific or a noun that has already been mentioned. For example, the dress Neha bought is very colorful. The boy I met yesterday is a CA. In these sentences, we are not talking about any dress or any boy, but the particular dress that Neha bought and the particular boy whom I met. Let's see some more examples. I saw a film yesterday. The film was very interesting. Rima has a pet cat. The cat is black in color. We used definite articles in the above sentences because we are talking about the film and the cat, which has already been mentioned in the first sentence. Article the is used before a singular countable noun when it represents the whole class it belongs to. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. The rose is a beautiful flower. Here, in these sentences, the dog and the rose represent the whole class they belong to. Here, the dog means every dog. Every dog is faithful and the rose is beautiful. The rose here means each rose or every rose is beautiful. They represent the whole class they belong to. Article the is also used before superlatives and before nouns that refer to something unique. For example, I am the tallest girl in my class. Tallest here is superlative degree, so we put the before it. And in next example, the sun sets in the west, the moon shines in the sky. Here, each noun refers to something that is unique and only one of its kind, so we use the before it. The is used before some proper nouns like the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, trains, ships, airplanes, famous buildings, and newspapers. For example, the Ganga is a holy river. The Rajdhani Express was late that day. The Times of India is a leading newspaper. My grandma reads the Ramayana every day. Definite article the is also used before uncountable nouns that have been made particular. For example, I drank the milk that you have kept in the fridge. The wood used by the carpenter was of poor quality. Here, milk and wood are uncountable nouns and they have been made particular in these sentences. Particular milk which was kept in the fridge and particular wood which was used by the carpenter. The is also used before names of the people of various countries. For example, the French are known for their style and manners. The Japanese work hard. Children, please mind that article the is used before names of the people of various countries and not before the names of countries. Children, we have learned where do we use article the, and now we will learn where do we not use article the. Article the is not used before proper nouns except the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, trains, ships, aeroplanes, famous buildings, and newspapers. Look at the examples. Mohit lives in India. Raj is smarter than Riya. Here, Mohit, Raj, and Riya are names of persons. They are proper noun, and India is a name of country. We do not use article the before names of people and names of countries or cities. Article the is not used before abstract nouns and uncountable nouns unless they have been made particular. For example, wisdom comes with age. In this sentence, wisdom and age both are abstract nouns, so we are not going to put the before them. And in next sentence, that is, juice is very refreshing, juice is uncountable noun, so before that also we do not need to use the. Article the is not used before plural nouns when they are used in a general sense. For example, animals cannot talk, rabbits have long ears. Article the is not used before the names of materials, games, and languages. Let's see some examples. Number 1, the bride's jewelry was made of gold. 2, I am learning to speak French. 3, I play cricket with my friends. And now it's time for a quick recap. Article a is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with consonant sounds. Article an is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases that begin with vowel sounds. Article the is used before a noun that refers to something specific, a singular countable noun that represents the whole class it belongs to, superlatives and before nouns that refer to anything unique, names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, newspapers, etc. Uncountable nouns that have been made particular, and names of people of various countries. I hope you understood the usage of article a, an, and the. In case of any query, please feel free to call me on my personal number. Here I am sending you some exercises based on this topic in our WhatsApp group. Please solve these exercises in your rough book. I'll be sending you answers very soon. Thank you, students.